Dahilan ako lang ang nakakalam. Wala ang kwarta da. Patay na. Wala na. Miyang buhay na aking lakas. Yeah. Kung ano ba ko? Aking tinatawag. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. CR si Papa, oy. Nagwiwi. Magbabat ang Papa ka. Pagbabat pod ka. Naman ka. Babat ka? Ha? Babat ang Papa, oy. Anya na napanaya sa mga naman. Ha? Saan na ng balon? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, guys. Thank you for watching. Kumusta kayong lahat? Magtutupi muna tayo ng damit. So, hello to Roberto Zamora. Hello, good evening. Shout out. Mega love shout out from Philippines. Hello, Cloudy. Hello, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my live. Live na naman tayo for today's video. Okay, hello to Henry Bowles. Oh, thank you so much for being here today. You have a crown. Hi. Good evening, Henry Bowles. Yes, good evening. Where are you from? Wow, thank you so much, Cloudy. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Thank you so much. And the like. Thank you. You're Henry, thank you. How are you, everyone? Oh, I'm from Philippines. Hello. I'm also from the Philippines. Hello, up here. Where a kababayan? Hoy, nak!
Hala, nikat-kat na ikaw.
Nakatahimta na na kay makati. Thank you for subscribing, Henry Bowles. So you're from Philippines. So you're a Filipino. So you speak Tagalog, ganon. Hello, Cloudy. Oh, you know speak English. Then Bisaya. You know, I'm a Bisaya. Bisayang dako. But I understand English too. And I speak English too. But I think my grammar is a bit a bit wrong. A bit wrong. Hello, Gaming Ocean. Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for watching for today. Good evening. I hope that you're happy. You are happy for today. I hope na masaya po tayong lahat. So let's enjoy and be happy. Gaming Ocean. Thank you so much. Hey, from where are you? Thank you for being here. Oh, you're much welcome to my live. Thank you. Hey, Cloudy, from where are you, Cloudy? So, Gaming Ocean. So, how should I address you properly? I don't know your name. So, must I call you? Should I call you Gaming Ocean? What should I call you? Drop your name so I can shout out your family. Look. Look. There's Gisi na. Oh, Ken. Nice name. I love your name. So here in the Philippines, we utilize a brief like this. Look. Look. So we can't afford to buy a new one. So we're gonna use or recycle a brief like this. Only in the Philippines. Like you love the Philippines, you come here and experience a brief like this. Because it's, you know, it's expensive to buy a new brief. So we're gonna use the old brief. Look, there's no garter, but we still use this one. That's how we value the things here in the Philippines. We can't throw it out because it's we can still use this. We can't afford to buy a new one. That's why we kept this one. So in case of any trouble, we gonna use this one as an emergency panty or brief. That's all. Why? Go live again? Yeah, I will go live again tomorrow if you watch. Yeah, I'm gonna live again tomorrow. I hope you're still there. Ken. Good evening, Ken. What a beautiful name. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm happy to have you here today. Ken, yeah. Thank you for watching. You're a tough fan of me because you always watch my live, I think. Because you wear a crown. You're a number 3. Number 3? Oh, that's nice, and thank you so much for supporting me. Look guys, I'm busy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. What's the English of layas, guys? I don't know what's the English of layas. I'm gonna layas na. Oh. I live here in the Philippines. You know what's the English word of layas? I don't know what's the English word of layas. So I'm gonna layas na. What? So what's the English word then of layas? Layas na ako. Ah, it means go away. I'm going too far. Must be wrong. Yeah, you're right. Go away. It's like that. It's yes. I can. Thank you for staying. Thank you for staying with me. I don't have much to talk. I don't know what to talk about. What the topic should I share to you? That's it. I don't know. I'm still busy here. Busy folding the dress of my baby. I have a baby. And she is 3 years old. Who is this gorgeous? Oh, Clorox. Hello, what is your name? Maybe tomorrow yeah, tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow if you're here during my live so we can talk again. Hey, you're from Philippines, right? Am I right, Ken? You live here in the Philippines? Oh. Yeah, tomorrow if we're yeah, I'll make time to make live. Same time.
Huh?
Oh, you always say English. Oh, so you're a foreigner? Are you? Are you a foreigner, Ken? I'm not good in speaking English because I'm a Filipino and I know uh, I think my English grammar is sometimes wrong, sometimes right. I think because it's so hard to speak English here in the Philippines. I don't have friends who speak English. I couldn't communicate with them using English. I just use a vernacular language like Bisaya here. So that's it. That is why I'm happy that my viewers knows how to speak English so that I can explain and say hi to you in English. Oh my god. I think my nose is bleeding speaking English. It's not my language. Oh my god. Hope so. I'm not gonna die today. So that we can meet tomorrow. A cat? No, I don't. I don't have an animals in my house. Only the rats sneaking inside my house. But there's no cat here. Why? Do you love cat? You know, the cat here is a thief. They gonna eat our food and run away. That's the cat here in the Philippines. That's why I don't like cat. I only have mouse sneaking inside our house. Yes, Clorox, of course. Goodbye. See you tomorrow, Ken. Thank you for your time talking to me like that. hmm. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you, and we'll see you again tomorrow. We'll see you again tomorrow. Hey, Clorox. You asked me if I have a husband. Yes, I do. I have two. I have two husbands. I married twice. No, I'm just kidding. Just joking. Um, 11? 11 years. But I only have one kid. Can you guess how old am I? Clorox? Hey, can you guess how old am I? Am I that old in your with this face? Am I that old? So how old are me? How many years are you married? I've been married for 3 years only, but we were in the relationship for almost 11 years. That long. But when you're because you're asking about marriage, oh, we calculate about the marriage certificate, then it's 3 years. And we base on the marriage certificate, it's 3 years. But if you asked our relationship together, it's been 11 years together.
Mama, si Bibi ha.
Thank you.
Nangluwa na po.
So you think I'm 30, but I'm only
30.
8. I'm 28 years old, so I'm not that old. Maybe 2 years from now. 30. I think. Oh my god, I forgot my age. I think I'm 29. I just don't count my age because I'm afraid I get old. Get old easily. That's why I didn't count my age. I think I'm 29. I born in 1996, so I think I'm 29. So, am I right? You do calculation. You do the calculation. You do the math. I don't know how to calculate. Marriage life it's nice because there's someone because I have a partner in doing a crime. Oh, no, it's not doing a crime. I have a partner doing household chores, ganon, like that. Are you still there, Clorox? Yeah, because of my age, that's why I get married. Because I'm afraid to die alone. That is why I got married. Why? You don't like marriage? So what do you like? Sleeping without marriage? Living without marriage? That's what you want? Well, it's your opinion and it's your choice if you don't like marriage. But, marriage is sacred and it's recognized by the church. Thank you so much. You're not get married, so you don't have a girlfriend, a boyfriend. Why you don't get married yet? Hello to my 5 viewers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the like and subscribe. Thank you so much. It's mean a lot to me. Gagawa kulang man ako. Sana'y patawarin mo. Mahal ko. Hey, from where are you, Clorox? Magagawa kung kulang man ako. Tatawarin mo. Mahal ko. What if you will like someone else? What will you do? It's a nice question. Well, if I like someone else, then it's okay to like someone else. Yeah, it's just like you can I mean can see a person, oh, it's beautiful, handsome, I like him, but because I am married, so I respect my husband, so I will not do what you think that I'm gonna cheat. Like that. Well, it's okay to like others. You can appreciate others, but you can't touch them. Just like just like in Facebook, just like that. Click like button like that. But you can't touch them because it's prohibited. Because you are married. That's the married life. You choose your family over the lust. Of course, I have many crushes like an artist. How I wish to have how I wish that that man so handsome, so rich be my husband, like that. It's just a wishful thinking. But in reality, you can't do that because you're married and it's against the law of church and law of the community. You will go in prison if you like others and you touch others. You cheat and you're married. No, 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 no. You go to jail. So that is why you can like others, but not to touch them. Not to the intent that you're gonna touch them. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Clorox. Yeah, that's being loyal. Because you choose your husband, you married him for life. Lifetime. Walang atrasan. No turning back, no turning back. That's it. Because if you're married, you choose your family. You choose your your the happiness. You choose the happiness of the family. If you're married, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Clorox. No, I'm not that intelligent. I'm not that smart. I'm using Dito network. Not smart. Just kidding. Thank you so much. Thank you, Clorox. I'm so happy that you're here talking to me because I think I'm alone here in my life, but you are there. You're talking to me. It's a very nice in a feeling that I have a viewer who talk to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate your questions. Yeah, thank you. Hi. Hey, from where are you, Clorox? Are you there? I think you leave me. Oh my god. I don't have someone to talk. Hello, good evening. So you drop your question in the comment section if you have questions. That's all. Hmm. You know, guys, here in the Philippines, we kept things like for old like 10 years. We still recycle it because we can't afford to buy a new one. That's it. Oh my god. So drop your question if you have question. Hello, good evening. I hope you're happy today because you meet me. Thank you for watching. I hope you are happy that you are here in my live today. Thank you so much. And it's mean a lot to me that you are here. Your presence. Thank you. Thank you for the like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you. Love you. Oh, e, oh, e, oh, e, ah, 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 oh, e, oh, oh, e, oh, e, oh, oh, e, oh, e, oh. So I'm sleepy. I have a lot of things to do. Oh, I think I need to sleep early today. Hey, what do you think about the some issues about cheating? It's a very viral in the SOCMED today. So, what do you think? What do you think, guys? So I'm gonna go relive, huh? Gonna asking questions. I am gonna asking question here. I think I can start a question. Thank you so much, Clorox. So happy eating. God bless. Thank you for being here in my life. See you tomorrow. I'm going to eat. Nice talking to you. Yes, nice talking to you too. Thank you so much. Ay, katugod. Sige nga, sagutin nyo nga yung tanong ko. Wala bang karapatang magselos dahil hindi pa kasal? Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? Ano sa tingin nyo? Yan, sagutin nyo nga. Sagutin nyo nga.